Hello everyone, I'm Mihant. So today I'll be telling you can make a perfect looking referral request to the employee who is working at your dream company. So I'll be doing this on both Twitter and LinkedIn in this video. So just stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Also, I'll be sharing my own referral templates so that you can use them and get success. You can find those templates in the description box below. Let's get started. I'll be starting off with Twitter. I'll be showing you two ways on how you can contact employees on Twitter. So just go to the search bar and enter your dream company and find its handle. So here handle I mean the company's Twitter profile. And now you just need to check its followers. So why I'm saying this? So there's an idea behind it. So the idea is that usually the employees working at that company do follow their own company. So looking at through the followers list, it is kind of a way to find the employees working for that company. So now once you get their profile, you can just visit their profile and hit the DM icon which you see in the on Twitter, and you can DM them your request. Second way is this, just type your dream company name, but this time don't choose the Twitter handle of that company. Instead, just hit enter or return. So now you'll see a list of results. So look at here, you will find many Twitter profiles out of them. Most of these profiles belong to the employees of that company. So you just have a very huge list of these people. So you can just simply visit some relevant profile and then you can DM your request. Let's move to LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is so good. I recommend everyone to use it to the fullest. Here you just go to the search bar and don't type anything. This is really important. Don't type anything. Just hit enter or return. Now you see this panel right here with many options. So here we are interested in people. So let's hit that button. Now you see a huge list of people. We are not interested in every LinkedIn user. So let's filter by using location and company. So I have chosen some location here and also a company. And finally, you'll see a list of employees working at your dream company. So now you can just simply go and hit that connection button or connect button that you see beside every profile, and then you can, once they accept your connection request, you can just simply send your DM request. This is the link that I'll be sharing it within in the description box. So you can see that there are about 4 templates. So these are like quite effective templates in my opinion, because they're made to be concise and also to be uh, and they're structured in such a way that they convey the actual meaning that we want to. Please go through these templates and please feel free to use these templates however you want. You can find them in the from the description box. So that's it guys,